Namaskar. Myself, Srin Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program today, that is 24th April 2022. Now, let's start presentation. This is the observed weather during past 24 hours. Severe heat wave in isolated pocket observed over Saurashtra and Kutch, and heat wave in isolated pockets over Gujarat region. And maximum temperature was between 40 to 42 degrees centigrade in many parts of West Rajasthan, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat state, Vidarbha, Marathwada, and Madhya Pradesh. In some parts of Haryana, Delhi, Madhya Maharashtra, Jharkhand, and isolated pockets over East Rajasthan, Telangana, Rayalaseema, Odisha, and Gangetic West Bengal. And heavy to very heavy rainfall in isolated pocket was observed over Arunachal Pradesh and heavy rain over Assam, Meghalaya, and Kerala. This is the highlight of the presentation. Heat wave conditions over Gujarat state during next 5 days and likely to commence over central and east India from 25th and over northwest India from 26th April. With this, rainfall thunderstorm accompanied with lightning gust event over northeast India during next 5 days. And this is the synoptic feature. One WD lies over Iran and another WD lies over northeast over Jammu Kashmir, and one trough north-south trough runs over East India, and one trough from south east Madhya Pradesh to north interior Karnataka, and one sizer over southeast Madhya Pradesh and adjoining Chhattisgarh in lower troposphere levels. And this is the forecast for maximum temperature. No large change in maximum temperature over most parts of northwest India today, and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degree thereafter. And rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over Madhya Pradesh during the next 3 days, and no large change thereafter. And over Gujarat state, no change during next 2 days, Gujarat as well as Maharashtra, and rise by about 2 degrees centigrade thereafter. With this, gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over East India during next 3 days, and no large thereafter. With this, no significant change in maximum temperature will likely over rest part of the country during the forecast period. This is the warning for heat wave. Heat wave condition will likely to prevail in isolated pocket over Gujarat state during next 5 days, Bihar during 24th to 26th, over Madhya Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal during 25th to 28th, over Rajasthan, South Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha during 26th to 28th, and over Punjab and South Haryana on 27 and 28 April 2020. And this is the forecast for rainfall under the influence of north-south trough over East India and strong southwesterly wind from Bay Bengal to northeastern state. Rainfall activity likely to continue over northeast India and over southern Himalayan West Bengal during next 5 days. With this, isolated heavy rainfall likely over Arunachal Pradesh during 24th to 26th, and over Assam Meghalaya on 24th, 27th, 28th, and isolated very heavy rainfall also likely over Arunachal Pradesh today, that is 24th. With this, thunderstorm gusty wind likely to continue this region during next 2 days. And due to the wind confluence and trough wind discontinuity over southern peninsular India in lower tropospheric level, isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm lightning gusty wind likely to continue over Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Chhattisgarh during next 5 days, and over Andhra Pradesh on 27, 27 and 28 April 2022. With this, isolated heavy rainfall likely to happen over Kerala during next 24 hours. And for the northwest India, due to the western disturbance, light isolated to scattered rainfall with isolated thunderstorm lightning very likely over western Himalayan region, and dust storm thunderstorm over adjoining plains, especially over Punjab and Haryana on 25th April 2022. And a fresh fever disturbance, western disturbance, is likely to affect Indian region from 28 April, cause light isolated rainfall very likely over western Himalayan region. This is the graphical form. Here you can see no heat wave over the northwest India during next 48 hours. Later on, heat wave condition is likely to increase over the northwest and adjoining central India rest 3 days. With this, heavy rainfall or thunderstorm activity likely to continue over northwest India during next 5 days, and thunderstorm lightning over West India and southern peninsula is likely to continue during next 2 days. Later on, it's likely to decrease. And you can visit our website mosam.imd.gov.in for latest information and warnings, as well as you can use mobile app as Mosam, Damini, and Meghdut app. And thank you very much all of you for listening me. Namaskar.